Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling sound recognition in Accessibility so your iPad can monitor ambient sound. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Sound Recognition, toggle it on and permit microphone access. Once done, tap sounds to select which events to detect, for example, doorbell, baby crying, or smoke alarm. This choice controls notifications and battery use. Pick only what you need. Make sure your iPad is not in low power mode if you want continuous detection. Now customize how you receive alerts and refine detection quality. You choose which sounds to monitor and can test by playing sample audio. Some iPad models adjust sensitivity automatically, but you can move the device closer to likely sources for better accuracy. Once done, configure notification settings, allow banners, sounds, or use announce notifications in Control Center so you hear alerts. If you use Do Not Disturb, make exceptions so sound recognition notifications still come through when necessary. Finish by validating the setup with real-world tests. Trigger a doorbell, run a smoke alarm, and watch for notifications. If detection is inconsistent, restart the iPad and ensure you're on the latest iOS. Updates often fix recognition models. You can also toggle sound recognition off and back on or reset notification permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: verify the microphone isn't blocked by a case or debris. Without clear audio input, detection will falter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.